were you asked? And then do you have a page number?
All right, what was the next question you were going to ask?
As you read the question he was asked at line 5 and go through his answer.
That's not a prior inconsistent statement.
When you viewed the videos collectively, what was your opinion regarding whether the gun was operational?
It was an operational firearm.
How did you come to that determination?
I mean, in the totality of the circumstances of the first view of the weapon, followed by the second view, the reaction to the incident as the 4 individuals in the distance in the camera were scrambling. As you can see that something's going on in conjunction with the sounds of the shots heard from the other camera, and then the fluidity of everybody running through the cameras over to El Centro. That along the lines with the information provided by Mr. Efron, that was my opinion that it was an operable firearm and the shots had been fired. Just looking at everything in combination, even without Mr. Efron's statement, if I were an investigating officer just responding to investigate a shooting scene where maybe there was some evidence found and establishing what had occurred without a potential witness, would be to obviously look at the same video, listen to the same sound of gunfire. Again, it's just factors that would be known at the time. But it would still lead me to believe that there had been some actual shooting short of a recording witness being present. I would still believe that.
Shall state that the testimony you may give in the cause not that before this court should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help God. I do. Please take a seat and witness stand there.
I then said, overruled. No speaking objection. Overruled. And then you said, Your Honor, can the jury? And I said, no editorializing by anybody. Then ask another question, Mr. Przelomiec.
Your Honor, that was a comment that conveyed to the jury that there was potentially video that they didn't have. It's not just a speaking objection. Courts basically sustain the objection, and what it is
No, I said overruled.
whether it's
All right, so what is it that you want? You are focusing on minutia.
Judge, what I want is I want the unethical conduct to stop.
Stop. Both of you knock it
I'm
off.
talking about it from day one, Judge. I mean, that's...
Knock it off. Enough. Stop, Mr. Lewis.
What are we going to do, Judge?
The objection was overruled. You're focusing on minutia.
So most of the TF, 9SS, and SS-80 ghost gun samples that we looked at were not consistent with the past characteristics we observed in the shell cases, right?
Yes, that's correct.
By the way, despite your analysis, and so it's clear, throw that. Mr. Vera, the same marks that you observed and testified on the 2 FC 9mm shell cases could have been made at a firing range, right?
Yes, I don't know where they were discharged.
Thank you very much. I have nothing further.